My name is Kara Pérez, and I'm an artist and educator. I've been a teaching artist for about 5 years within the nonprofit art sector in New York specifically, and I also am an early childhood bilingual educator. So I think that Black women are underrepresented in executive positions of leadership because they're afraid of us. I think that a lot of people buy into the stereotype that we're all aggressive, that we're all heated people, or we're threats in some ways, or that we're not as educated, that we're not as qualified, that we can't appease to a larger demographic or appeal to a larger demographic, and all of these things. It really is racism, and anyone who says that it's not is part of the problem. It's when you use the word inner city instead of saying Black neighborhoods. It's when you say we are giving them a voice instead of saying we're amplifying the voices. We are making space. We are listening. You need to visit the website, New York City Arts and Education Roundtable. Share the link, tweet about it, gram about it, TikTok about it, all the social media things. You need to donate. You need to pass it on to your friends, to your auntie, to your cousins, to that one person you met at the coffee place, or the person that you just like met up with on Clubhouse, because that's the thing. I'm old, but I'm keeping up. And also hashtag every time you share, every time you comment, every time you donate. Also hashtag rebuild, hashtag reconcile, and hashtag reimagine.